Hey everyone, in this video, you will learn how to import an Envato template kit into WordPress. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Template Kit Import. When you see the plugin appear, install it and then activate it. This plugin is what allows WordPress to read and load your Envato kit files. Next, go to your Envato or Theme Forest downloads page. Find the purchase you want to use and look for the download button. This will download a zip file to your computer. Do not unzip it. The file needs to stay in the original zip format so the importer can recognize it. Now go back to WordPress. In the left menu, hover over Tools and click Template Kit. You will see an upload area. Click the Upload button and select the zip file you just downloaded. Wait a few moments while it processes the file. After the upload finishes, you will see an orange banner at the top of the screen. It will say Install Requirements. Click this button. The importer will automatically install and activate any plugins that the kit needs. When the requirements are installed, you will see a full list of the templates included in your kit. Look for the item called Global Kit Styles and click Import Template. This step adds the correct fonts, colors, and spacing settings to your site so every page looks consistent. That is all you need to do. Your Envato template kit is now ready to use across your WordPress site. Thanks for watching.